and welcome to the Everyone Can Contribute track for our 2020 GitLab Commit events. My name is Christina Hupy, and I am a Senior Education Program Manager at GitLab on the Community Relations team. At GitLab, we believe that everyone can contribute. Having a strong, supportive, and diverse community is at the heart of our values and what we do every day here at GitLab. On the Community Relations team, we've been working very hard to engage with the community and encourage everyone to participate. I'd like to start the session off by sharing a little bit about some of these efforts. A great example is our Code Contributor Program. We have over 3,000 code contributors at GitLab, and for the first time, we had 300 plus wider community merge requests that were merged for the 13.1 release. Our community not only works on the code itself, but they also work on translation, documentation, and opening feature requests. Our community is also really engaged in attending and hosting meetups. We have over 10,000 members in our GitLab meetups group. They also speak at GitLab events and answer questions on our GitLab forum. Additionally, we support educational institutions and open source communities through our GitLab for Education and GitLab for Open Source programs. We're particularly excited about this track because you'll hear about building a more inclusive and diverse community, lowering the barrier to contributing, and communicating better. One of our GitLab heroes will also share their perspective and experience with increasing inclusion in retrospectives. We are going to have a live Q&A during the talk with our presenters, so please make sure to use that channel to ask questions and engage with our amazing speakers. We really hope that these talks will provide you with inspiration for not only getting involved in the community, but also helping to build a better and more diverse community at GitLab. To learn more about the GitLab community, please visit about.gitlab.com/community. We would also love it if you would share what you learned on Twitter with the hashtag GitLabCommit. We encourage you to join some of the Zoom networking channels to connect with other conference attendees and GitLab team members. We hope that this is a great opportunity for you to meet with each other as you would at an in-person event. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the session.